Namaste everyone. So we are going to practice one of my most favorite pose is Supta Padangusthasana. We'll do the traditional version with prop and one non-traditional and unsupported. So you lie down on your back. Now I will consider you are beginning this practice and you are stiff. So in that case, you start with your knees bent. And I also consider you have done your warm-up because this is not a class, this is a pose learning. So you're warmed and you're ready to do poses. So you keep the knees bent. You take a strap, yoga belt, and put it around your right foot. And when you use the belt, make sure it's not at the top of the foot. It's towards the bottom, right where the heels start. This is what I prefer. You might have other choice. Now, you allow your knee to be straightened. Straighten to the place that your quads are completely engaged. You can feel these thigh muscles are engaged. You hold the strap. Make sure that your lower back is flat and your hip is down. So you don't want to lift your leg at the cost of raising your hip off. You keep your hip down. And then you start lifting the leg higher towards your chest. Shoulders are relaxed. If you want to go deeper, you can move your hands higher. Of course, you don't want to be here because here there's no work. You want to be up. Your elbows can be soft, but not to this place. Okay? Keep lifting, keep your hip again low. So this is where you can begin. But if you are a practitioner or if you are a flexible person, then you can just straighten the left leg. Now the same way, like your right leg is active, your left leg is also active. You don't want to keep your left leg passive. You can see I'm pushing my left knee down. There is hardly any space between my left hamstring and the floor. So you're pushing this left thigh bone down. Your left foot is supercharged. You're pushing the left knee down, you're lifting the right leg up, shoulders are relaxed, chest open. Very important, your stomach is relaxed. You're not crunching, you're not contracting your core. Your core is relaxed, your lower back is flat. Okay, let's hold for 5 breaths. 1, if you want to go deeper, go higher. But I'm again not lifting the hip up. Keep hip down. Just use your hip joint to raise the leg higher. 2 more. And 1. All right. So you will repeat the same on the left side. Now we'll go for the second variation. I'm again gonna show because it's easy to see my right side, so I'm gonna show you the right side only. Let me show you left side. Okay, you can start with again bending your knees. Now raise the left leg up. Keep the left leg active. Okay, arms down. Now let me consider that you are very stiff and you cannot even raise the leg here. You're here. And you are doing too much to lift your leg up and starts hurting your back and all that. In that case, okay, soften your knee. But if your leg is here, then don't bend your knee. Then keep the kneecap tight. All right, lift the left leg up. Again, lower back and hip is flat down. Then try straightening the right knee. Stomach soft. Now, most likely when you try to lift the left leg and you don't have support of the belt, you will tend to crunch, you will tend to engage your core. Don't do that. Keep the core soft while your lower back is flat. Keep the right leg active, left leg active. Both kneecap engage. Pushing the back of the right knee down, lifting the left leg up. Hold it for 5, 10, 15 breaths, as much as you want. And then bend your left knee, relax. All right, I'll show you one more variation. It's more fun and it gives you a little bit different experience. Now, lift the right foot, We are again shifting to the right side. You will do both legs, both sides, of course. Now you hold the block on top of the right foot, and then you just straighten the right knee. First, you have to be careful that you don't drop the block on your face. And then straighten the left leg, of course, if you have that flexibility. Now here you cannot pull the toes down like previous versions. So you need to keep your foot relaxed while you're engaging the leg. That's why I said it's a different experience, because here the foot cannot be active. The foot is relaxed. Now lift the leg higher. Lift the leg higher, pushing the left knee down. You hold it for 5-10 breaths and then carefully bend your knee. I mean, like, it's not a heavy thing. It's fine if you drop it, but just be careful. And this is all we have for Supta Padangusthasana. I hope you had enjoyed it. And see you next time. Thank you.